have Gerald Tissera, Managing Director of CIC Paints with us. Gerald, tell us a little bit about why you're having this event today and what you're launching today.
Basically what we're doing today is that we're launching a color range. Now it's not a normal color range in that we are looking at it from the point of view of fashion. We say it's fashion for walls. Basically, if you look at fashion, fashion is a thing that keeps changing. It's dynamic, it regenerates itself, and year to year it keeps changing. And it's the same with this color range. It's decided on by a group of color experts, a multicultural group who sit in our European office. And basically what they do is they forecast, they predict the trend in colors. And in doing that, we take those colors and we're going to package it into a range which we will call the Ambience range. It will be tagged as fashion for walls, and it also, that whole range will be dynamic. It'll keep moving, it won't stand still. It's constantly changing and redefining itself as fashion does. So really what we're doing here is we are not talking about fashion in terms of clothing or anything like that, but we are talking about fashion and style and lifestyle in the home.
Hi Yolande, how are you feeling today?
Fine. Good evening. Lovely to be here.
Yolande, tell us a little bit about what you're wearing today.
Actually, today I'm wearing something from China because I'm flying to China on the 22nd for these Beijing Awards, fashion awards, and I'm one of the nominees for the top label. So that's why I have worn something Chinese, and also the pants are one of my creations. I love to do different types of pants, you know, the harem pants, the elephant pants, anything baggy. And I'm a person who likes to wear very sort of stunning clothes, and I must have the handbag and shoes to match. And also I love chunky jewelry.
Renuka, tell us where you got this sari from.
Well, I think I got it from India, in Trichy to be specific.
Okay.
And I like this kind of thing where it's not too flashy, and I think the whole idea is in how you accessorize the whole thing to make a statement. And fashion is all about, I think, what you want it to be finally, because it's all about being confident. It's all about being comfortable in what you wear, in what you do.
What are your thoughts about tonight?
Well, it's a new launch of a new product. From what I can see, it's all about fashion because the entire theme is virtually like on being fashion, even the invitation said elegant. So I presume it's something to do about fashionable walls. And from all the ambience I see, I think we are in for a treat in a lot of colors and being fashionable, not only in what you wear and what you accessorize, but maybe fashion at your home as well.
Hi Ruchira, how are you doing tonight?
Good.
Tell us a bit about what you're wearing. It's a stunning outfit.
Thank you so much. It's actually a pantsuit, and it's a nice drape. So I love drapes.
And where is it from? Do share the secret.
Yes, it's from Rebel.
Okay. And is this a color that is in vogue for your collection this year?
We have gone into a lot of colors actually, very vibrant colors. Yeah.
Okay. Tell us what your style essential is.
Actually, my style essential is the entire profile because I feel one thing doesn't work without the other. So I always, concentrate on the clothing, the shoes, the bag, the makeup, the entire thing because you need that whole package. Hair, everything is essential. So I'm totally into the entire profile.
Nela, tell us a little bit about the lovely sari you're wearing today.
Well, it's one of Satyapal's creations of the Rose series. Strangely, I have to say that I was influenced by your chairman's wife, Ranjini, in my selection of bangles and accessories.
Kanchana of the Katie Brown fame with us right now. I'm assuming you're wearing a Katie Brown outfit?
Yes, from my last year's collection.
Tell us about the colors for this year's palette.
For me, I don't go by trends. I'm not a person driven by trends or what's in style. It's what I think I want to. Because I think a lot of people forget the fact that you can create a trend. You don't have to follow a trend.
What are the colors that you feel for the Katie Brown label?
For Katie Brown, we've used a lot of color this time. There's a lot of batik and probably turquoise, like a green, blue, black and white. I mean, I'm open to color, but I don't really go by trends. So whatever the customer thinks, okay, this will work for me, and that's what I think is a trend for that person, So I'm not driven by trends or colors for a particular season.
And your personal style, what is your personal style?
Easy, comfortable, and easy and comfortable. And I think we're coming to a very hot climate as well. So a lot of people feel that I make very large clothes, but I think a lot of people will have to switch to large clothing right now because it's going to be very, very hot.